Hi, kids! Today we're gonna talk about feelings. Kid, how are you feeling today? Are you feeling sad? Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling mad? Or are you feeling tired? Feelings that you can have. Sometimes we can be happy, we can be sad, we can be anxious, we can be scared, we can feel silly, we can feel lonely, we can be upset, we can be mad, and again, we can be happy. And we can be interchanging our feelings, correct? What are some of the feelings that makes you happy? Now, I would advise that you turn and talk to a friend. What can you do when someone is sad? Let's talk about it. You could give them a hug and ask if they're okay because hugs are very good. Hugs make people feel loved, make people feel appreciated, and it hugs makes people feel understood. Now, there when you get mad, there are some ways to calm you down when you're mad. And what first thing you can do when you get mad is you can take a deep breath, you can talk to an adult, or you can go for a walk in your class or at home in your home. You can walk in your home as well. And it's okay to have feelings. So, the next time that you're having a feeling that you are sad or you're angry, the best thing to do is talk to mom. Have a good day. Bye bye.